So good morning and welcome to a joint hearing of the Congressional Executive Commission on China and the Parliamentary Human Rights Commission hosted by the House.
4 iyun Amerika Dövlət Məclisində ötküzülgən تيەنئەنمېننىڭ 30 yılı Xitoydagi bostirishning tadrijiy taraqqiyotini qayta baholash nomli guvohlik berish yig'inida Xitoyning navbatda Uyg'urlarga yurgizayotgan zulm siyosati haqidagi bayonlar alohida ko'p salmoqni egalladi. Bular yig'in riyosatchisi James McGovern, Kengash palatasi a'zosi Marco Rubio va Thomas Souzi, Avam palatasi a'zosi Christopher Smith qatariqlarning bayonlarida arqa-arqadan o'tirib qo'yildi.
And the internment of over 1 million Uyghurs and other predominantly Muslim minorities in what they call political re-education camps.
Bu yig'inga Avam palatasi rəisi, Amerika siyosiy sahnasidagi 3-numurluq shaxs Nancy Pelosi xonimmi guvohlik berguchi sifatida qatnashqa edi. U o'z bayonlarida Xitoyning Uyg'urlarga qaratgan bostirish siyosatlarini tilga elib o'tdi. Nancy Pelosi xonim تيەنئەنمېن vaqasining 30-yillik xotirlanayotgan minutlarda Xitoy 1 milliondan 3 milliongacha Uyg'ur va boshqa Turkiy musulmonlarni lagerlarga qamadi. Bu haqda qanday so'zlaringiz bor degan savollarimizga mundaq javob berdi.
It's very sad and call upon the rest of the world to speak out for the arrest of the Muslim people in China. We always talk about respecting religious freedom. Christians, Jews, Muslims, Hindus, everyone throughout the world. And what they're doing to the Uyghurs is outside the circle of civilized human behavior to have millions of people imprisoned for what they believe.
Biz yana Uyg'urlarning vaziyati haqida Davlat Majlisi a'zosi, bu navbatlik guvohlik berish yig'inining raisi, Massachusetts shtatining Demokratlar partiyasidan bo'lgan a'zosi James McGovern apandini ziyorat qildik. U Uyg'ur kishilik huquq siyosati qonunining navbatlik taraqqiyot haqidagi savollarimizga javob berib, mundaq dedi.
We mentioned the Uyghurs quite a bit in this hearing. Look, we are very concerned about China's treatment of the Uyghur people. What is happening to the Uyghurs is horrific. And the world knows about it. They know about the concentration camps. They know about the persecution and the imprisonments and the killings. It has to stop. And we're going to continue to raise our voices. The Uyghur people deserve to be treated with respect, and we're not going to be silenced.
And today I didn't hear the Chinese activists didn't raise these concerns themselves, and we don't see the Uyghur issue didn't that much have any space in the Chinese-speaking media. So,
as the co-chair of the Parliamentary Human Rights Commission, we have done several hearings on the Uyghur situation, and I think multiple members of the United States House of Representatives mentioned the Uyghurs. The Uyghurs are very, very important, as are the Tibetans, as are all those whose human rights are being denied in China. So we stand in solidarity with those who are fighting for the rights of the Uyghurs.